Hey, want to know how to make money online with email marketing? Well, it's Michael Dela Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online through email marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to dive into it right away. And in this video, again, we're going to be talking about how to make money online with email marketing for beginners. So you're starting out, I'm really excited for you, and welcome to this video. And let's go ahead and get to it. So before I share with you how email marketing plays a big role in making money online, let me share with you the formula very quick. So everything pretty much starts with this, with these components here. It starts with traffic, giving you some visuals. So traffic is pretty much eyeballs, people on the internet looking for solutions to their problems. And how they find your content is pretty much you're creating content on a platform. Like, let's say Facebook, for example. If you're creating content on any of those platforms, on Facebook, it could be YouTube, it could be maybe a blog that you have. Every content that you create and that you put out there is actually being found by somebody that's interested in that content. So if the key to making money online is basically you creating content to the targeted audience that you want to target. So let's say you want to target people that likes training dogs, then you're gonna have content that is about giving some tips about training dogs, right? So that generates traffic, that generates interest in people that are hanging out in that platform. All right, so this could be Facebook groups, this could be a blog, this could be either here on YouTube. So anywhere that somebody's that people are hanging out and you're creating content, you want to really create content so you can attract people, and that's what creating traffic is. So once you have traffic, then you have something called an opt-in page, a squeeze page. And guess what? In this page right here is actually what it's doing is actually requesting people's information. So this could be name or email, or just the email. And what this page here does is pretty much request information so that way you can follow up later on. So once they opt in, then they get directed to something called a sales page, which in this sales page is pretty much, it actually explains the product or offer that you're promoting. So this could be somebody else's product with through affiliate marketing, or it can be your own products. You don't have to use somebody else's product, but you can use your own product. Now, if you're just starting out, I would really suggest that you start out with affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, the products are already done for you. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to do customer support. You don't have to do any type of like market research and things like things that involve creating a product. And you can just pretty much create business and make money online by doing affiliate marketing, which is selling somebody else's products, right? So you get paid when somebody buys something in this section here. You get paid commissions through affiliate marketing. Or if you got your own products, where you can do, if you already have your own products, then the full amount of the sale goes to you because it's your own product. You don't have to split. Okay, but again, when you are a beginner, I highly recommend you start with affiliate marketing because it's easier. It's easier, and there's companies out there that pay high commissions. So you're making a lot. There's a lot of people making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so once somebody gets into the squeeze page right here, they also get added to something called an autoresponder, right? And an autoresponder is pretty much an email software. This is what email marketing is. It's an email software that sends automated emails, to that visitor. So somebody said, let's say you created a content here, let's say on Facebook, that is about, let's say, weight loss, and let's say that person clicks on the link that you put on that content, and this page right here says, here's 3 ways to lose weight in a week. And when they enter the email, because they showed interest in what you're offering, that person became a lead. They immediately get added to the autoresponder, and also they get immediately access, or they get immediately added to this sales page right here. So they get directed to this sales page, and what they see in the sales page is pretty much a presentation of the product that you're promoting that's going to help that person lose weight. Okay, so this could either be, again, your own products, or it could be somebody else's product, and that's what affiliate marketing is. You're affiliated with a company or a person that already has a product, and you're promoting their products, and you're getting paid for that. Okay, and that's the commission. I actually how I make money online is actually through affiliate marketing, because again, it's easier. The product is created, and a lot of times they already have this already done for you. So if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get all of this done for you, like done for you funnel, done for you, the done for you squeeze page, done for you sales page, and all of these components already all together, already done for you. So if you want to go that path, then I got something cool for you at the end of this video. So just keep watching, and I hope you're getting a lot of value from this, because this is the stuff that's helping people, including myself, earn income on the internet. And I'm pretty much, you're here because you want to do, you want to do that, and this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm happy that you're here. So pretty much this is all you need here to make money online. You need traffic, and traffic is visitors, people on the internet hanging out, looking for solutions to their problems. So what you do is that you create content. You create content on the internet, and people that find that content are going to be, again, clicking on the link, or it could be a button, and when they click on that link or that button, it gets them to a squeeze page. You want to get them to a page, and I'm going to give you an example of what that page looks like, but it's kind of like right here. You want to get into a page that's asking for their information in exchange for the for what you're giving them, what you're offering them. This could be a free ebook, this could be something that they can download, and then so once they opt in, they get access to the sales page, and it's a presentation where it explains what the benefits of the product that you're promoting is. And basically when they decide to buy, then you want to you're gonna get paid, right? You're gonna get paid a commission. If you're doing affiliate marketing, if it's your own products, then you're gonna get paid whatever price you give in your product. Okay, so now the thing is that when they get to this page, if you don't do this part right here, the squeeze page, when they get to this page, they're not everybody's gonna like buy something or purchase something the first time, because either they don't have time, they didn't watch the presentation about to learn about the product, or maybe they're waiting for something, they're not ready yet. So when email marketing plays a big role here, because email marketing allows you to follow up with these people that are not that didn't purchase the first time. And a lot of people are not going to purchase them the first time they see a product. So when you add email marketing, the person is also, let's say when they enter their email, their name or email here, or just the email, they get added to the autoresponder, and that way you can follow up with them. So when you're making money online, what you want to do, you want to be building an email list, right? And an email list is pretty much just like an audience, a following. Like if on social media you have people following you, or like Twitter or Instagram, on the when it comes to email marketing, you're gonna have people opening emails and pretty much requesting information, like newsletters, things that's gonna educate them on your product, things that are gonna add more value into their lives. And you pretty much are building a relationship with this audience just like you would in any platform, except that you're doing it through email. So when somebody doesn't have time, or didn't watch the presentation, or got ADD and had to go, if you don't collect their information, then that person's like, you're not gonna have a chance to reconnect with that person. So you want to make sure you ask for the information in this page here, so when they get added to your email list, they start getting emails automatically. So this is how you automate your business. This is how you make money on autopilot. You have emails in place that are going to them as soon as they opt in. So when you're building your email list, though, not everybody's gonna open your emails constantly. Some people might not even open your emails, never ever again, or they might not open your emails at all. So what you want to be doing, like every 3 months, if somebody has not opened your emails within 3 months, that's how I do it personally. but you might choose differently. But if somebody doesn't open your email within, within 3 months, that person has to, they're taking up space because it's not free to, to do email marketing. So that person's taking up space from people that are really interested in what you're offering. So you want to pretty much clean your email list. So if there's a group of people that haven't opened an email within 3 months, there's the software that I use is Aweber. There's GetResponse. I left some links below in the description, but basically you want to go into any of these email softwares, and you want to find out who hasn't opened your emails within 3 months, and then you just want to delete those people from your email list, because you don't want people that are not interested in your emails in your email list, because it's not free to have, to have an email list, right? To have people in your email list. So you want to make sure that you delete them, so that way you're opening up space for people that do want to receive your emails. Okay, so that's a key factor right there. So every 3 months, if somebody has not opened your emails quarterly, within 3 months, then you want to make sure that you delete that person, because obviously they're not interested, because not everybody's gonna click the unsubscribe button. They're just gonna be taking up space, and you don't want those people in there. So you're actually doing yourself a service, and you're gonna be earning more money if you keep people that are not interested in what you're offering out of your email list. Okay, so that's email marketing 101 right there. So clean up your email list every 3 months or so, and you'll be good to go. And then keep creating content. So the traffic, there's 2 ways to generating traffic, and you're gonna get leads from that traffic. So traffic is pretty much, like I said, eyeballs. And then when a person shows interest in what you're offering, that person becomes, that traffic becomes leads. So you're going to be, generating leads, and then they get added to your email autoresponder or email marketing software. Again, the one that I personally use is Aweber. I left a link below if you want to check it out. I left another one too. It's called GetResponse. And there's also software out there that have everything built in, from landing page creator, squeeze page creator, and they have email marketing involved, as all built in one platform. Aweber, the email software I use, you can actually create opt-in page with Aweber too, and GetResponse as well. And you can also create pages that you can add videos to. So you want to build your own funnel, you can do that as well. Okay, I also have videos that has to do with how to build a sales funnel too, so you can check it out. I just share the tools that I use to create sales funnels. There's also other software like ClickFunnels that most people use, and they're actually easier because they already have funnel already created. All you got to do is just pretty much, customize, and it's really, really easy to customize. So if you think that you have to do all this from scratch, just starting out, don't feel like you have to do that, because there's a lot of companies out there, a lot of programs that already have all of this built in. Now, if you want to know what my number one recommendation is for getting trained, for training, for building funnels, and like that is like the most robust that I ever seen, then I invite you to check out my number one recommendation below. It's that first link, and check that out and get access to that information, because you're really gonna benefit. So this opt-in page here is your key to building an email list, and that's what you want to be focusing on in building the audience. And the cool thing about making money online with email marketing is that you don't need a big audience to really make money online. You don't need like this big, thousands of people on your email list in order to make money. You can actually make money from a small, email list, and I've seen a lot of people doing it over and over again by simply doing something called affiliate marketing, which is promoting affiliate products to that audience, right? Things that they're interested in. If you have a list of people in your email list that are interested in training dogs, right? Then you find products out there, and let me show you a website that you can go do that. And this is just an example, right? This could be, training cats. It could be something that has to do with lead generation. Maybe you want to teach people how to, I don't know, how to like lose weight, or how to eat better, etc. Whatever your niche that you want to choose, you can go to this website here, create a free account, and get access to hundreds of thousands of products that you can start promoting to your email list. So once you, let's say somebody opted in here, let me go back to that presentation. So once somebody opted in here, whatever you have in here, let's say the headline on here says how to make money online, right? 3 tips to make more money online, right? That way, when somebody puts their email, you know that that person is interested in earning money online. So what is the best thing to do to email them about is you want to educate that person how to make money online. What do they need? What kind of tools, etc. Right? So pretty much is self-explanatory. It's really simple. If you understand how simple email marketing is, then you're gonna really rock it on the internet, and it doesn't get any easier than this. So again, it starts with traffic, then you want to get opt-in page, and then you want to send them to a sales page, which is the presentation, and this could be replaced with your own products, or you can do affiliate marketing. So this website right here, is clickbank.com. I left the link in the description. You can actually go here, create a free account, and start promoting other people's products. And a lot of the products here, if I scroll down very quick, a lot of these products right here pay good commissions. So let me hit promote on here, and as you can see, 4.2 billion people have been paid. All you got to do is just click join. It's free to join again, and they actually pay commission as high as 90%. So the person that created a product actually makes 10% of their own product, and you keep 90%. So they have a lot of products like that on different things, dog training, it could be personal development, it could be they probably got stuff on real estate, mental health, etc. And some of them have recurring commissions, so you can earn money month to month recurrently, because they have subscription-based products that you can promote. And again, all you want to focus on is building that email list of whatever audience you're looking to promote to, and you want to help out, and start promoting products on that, and start educating them on on how they can benefit more, and then you start earning commissions. Okay, so this is how you make money online with email marketing. So you have a traffic, you have an opt-in page. Once they opt in, they get to your autoresponder, and you start sending them emails, and you can already have pre-done emails in your autoresponder, right? They're already done. They're already done. You have a sequence of emails, and they can, as soon as they enter their name and email, they get like a welcome email, right? And you can do this automatically. This is how people make money online on autopilot. They have an email list. They have an autoresponder which has already emails that goes out to to that person that's subscribed to the email list, and they start getting emails again and again. Every 3 months, make sure you clean up your email list, and you'll be good, because that way you're making space for people that are interested in your products or interested in the information that you're sending them. You don't want people that are not interested at all in opening your emails. You want to clean that up. Okay, so this is what an opt-in page looks like. Ones that I have created. This is one right here on my blog, which is succeedwithmichael.com, and this is where people can learn and discover how I started an online business that earns high ticket commissions, marketing valuable products people already want to buy. If you want to get access to that, that's succeedwithmichael.com. If you want to know why my number one recommendation, I left that below too. There's another opt-in page that I have. It's called it's the fastest and easiest way to get free leads online. And basically you enter your email on there, and you get a free video that shows you how you can how you can actually get free leads online, right? What you're gonna get a training, etc. So that's an example right there. So then I email the person about it, if in case they didn't have time to watch that free video. I just send the video automatically to their inbox. So there you have it. That's how you can make money online with email marketing. And if you want to know how you can make $100 per day online or more, and you want to know how you can get all this set up for you and get the right training, make sure you check out that link in the description. Is my number one recommendation, is that first link. Hit it and get access to that information. Other than that, thank you for being here. I hope you got a lot of value from it, and if you did, hit like and make sure you leave me your comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.